Guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing a unusual video because we don't normally do this, but we're going to be going on a road trip, and I thought I'd let you guys tag along because who doesn't like a road trip? And I'll give you two hints. First hint, well, here's the link to a video I've done before similar to this one, but not like this one, if you get what I'm saying. And then my second hint is, if you're a Liverpool fan, you will definitely want to tag along with me. But even if you're not a Liverpool fan, no matter what football team you support, or whatever country you live in, just watch this video because, you'll enjoy it. And yeah, meet you guys in the car. Behind me is where you pay for your tickets on a match day. Here is where you pay for a VIP tour of the stadium.
Purchase your tracks today.
Masterpiece being put together. And it's ready. Hi guys, I'm back, and the reason I didn't do any vlogging in the car was because it was a long tiring 2-hour journey. I actually almost fell asleep, but when we got there it was worth it because I got this awesome football kit. So here it is, and well, I have not looked at it ever since I got home because I wanted to show you guys first. And okay, first we will put everything onto my desk. That's it. And first things first, here is the actual top. Yes, it looks sick. And as you can see on the back, I've got my name printed, which looks absolutely awesome. Okay, let's put that on the bed. Okay, then I got myself a pair of Liverpool shorts. Here they are. Also look awesome. Can't wait to wear them. And then, just to complete the kit, I got the socks itself. So yeah, basically everything I got was a whole football kit, and it was really fun there. There was loads of things to do, and yeah, other than that, press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time guys, peace out.